Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS background color. You can set the background color for HTML elements. You can set the background color for HTML elements. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the color names. And right now we are going to use background color. So quickly, let's delete all this and have a new look. Right here we need, let's rename this to CSS top 10 strength CSS colors color playlist. You can check the playlist so you can be able to follow along. I'll obviously give it so right now let's create another h2 tag. I will create another h2 tag and call it CSS background color. So color. So I'll give it h3 background color 1. We give it background color red. Background color red. We'll give another one also another color. Try to do this so you can be able to understand what's going to happen right here. We are going to give another one. Let's create another tag. Let's just create a p tag, yes, and give it background color blue so you can be able to understand the scope. Let's create another tag again. Let's create h4. Yes, let's create h4 and give it another background. Let's give it background color yellow, or let's give it gold. Yes. So let's save our document and see what we got. Right now we are having this, all this text. Now I'm going to give each of it different colors. That's why I specify them. So let's start. This one I'm going to give this one background color blue. So just to change the text. So let's select our h1 and give it background color. To specify color, don't you forget, we are going to use, we want to use in this tutorial, we want to use our internal CSS styling. So let's let's select our h1 tag. Our h1 tag, I want to give it color. Give it color, background color. I'll give it background color blue because that's what I want. Let's save our document and reload. Okay, you see our color is now, our background color is now blue, right? Now let's change the color to another thing so it can look nice. Let's give it gray. Let's give it gray color. Okay, you see it's changed to gray, right? So let's select another element again and give it color. Let's select our h2 element. Our h2 element, we can give it another color. Let's give it any color we want. Background color, let's give it background color blue violet. I'll give this blue violet. Let's reload our document. Can you see it shows? Let's give our h3 also a color. h3, let's give it a color. You can give it red color, background color. Let's call it red so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. Can you see? And let's give this one blue color, h4. Let's give our p tag. Yes, our p tag also. So let's give our p tag another color, background color blue. So, and also we can get, let's reload our document. Can you see? And let's give our this last element, let's give it background color of what? Gold. So our h4 tag, let's give it color background color gold. So let's reload our document now. Can you see all these elements now having different colors? This one is having gray color, the second one is having blue violet color, the third one is having red background color, the fourth one is having blue background color, and this last one is having gold background color. So as you can see, you can now know the benefit of using this background color property. As you can see, background color, background color, background color. So let's say for instance, in our previous tutorial we discussed about selecting multiple elements. So if you want to select multiple elements, you can select h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag. Let's give them different colors. So let's say we want to change the background color. Let's change the background color to light low green. Let's change it to low green. Let's reload our document. Can you see all of this now? We gave these three element three same background color, and the background color is low green. The color name is low green. We have discussed about color name. You can watch the playlist, our color playlist, so you can be able to follow along. All this is inside our CSS color playlist. So please, I want you to know that there is no any magic in this. We are just doing this so that you guys can be able to understand. Let's use our span tag right here. So this one can have, you can specify another thing right here. Again, let's reload our document, see what we got here, and use background color for this one also separately. Let's come here. In our previous tutorial we have discussed about it. Let's select our span element, then we can give our span element. I like to arrange my document so my document can look nice. This one I like to give this one a space because this one is group, so I will give it a comment. In our previous tutorial we have discussed a comment h1. We have discussed about comments, right? h1 comma h2 comma h3 styles. So let's give this comment. You can check our previous tutorial on CSS comment also for you to be able to follow along. Now I'll give our span element a different color. So now this is our span element. I want to give it a different color. Let me take this one right here and place it at the bottom like this, and I want this document to look neat. Now let's give our span element a different color. Now you can say our span element can have this kind of color. You can say they can have this kind of color, background color of aquamarine. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see this is having aquamarine background color, and we can change the color again. We can change it to anything again. You can see it can have red. No, let's give it red color. Let's see what will happen. Let's give it red. Can you see it is having red color? As you can see, benefit of using our. Now if you notice very well, if you have been following me so long, now you can be able to style your elements, your document in different ways, in any way you want. And you can give this one also a comment for you to recognize it. This is for span elements. So just to recognize what you are doing, span element styles. So you can just do it like that, so you can be able to understand what you are doing. So now I think now you can see we style our h1, h2, h3 and p tag, and also our h4 and also our span tag using background color. Benefit of using CSS. As you can see, this is all nice. As you can see, background color, background color, background color, background color, background color, background color, background color. So you can even do as much as you want. As you can see, we separate everything and it's working nicely. So in our next tutorial we are still going to talk about colors more better. So anwar akorede, ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great